Welcome everyone to my fourth BGS video break. I wasn't planning to send this submission, but I realized that I had a $10 off coupon from BGS, so I had to scramble to find four cards that I thought were gradable. The only difference this time around is that I do know the grades for these cards just because eBay's had a 20-cent listing day yesterday, so I had to know what I needed to list. So let's open the box and let's see what we got. Okay, so I only see 3 BGS holders and I sent 4 cards in, so which means that one of my cards did not meet my minimum of 9.5. Alright. Of course, it did not meet the minimum. Yeah. It's actually, for those who want to know, it's a Greg Golson Bowman Chrome Draft rookie card, so well, save it for next time, I guess. Alright, let's see. The first card is my boy Ivan De Jesus, Bowman Chrome base auto card, BGS 9.5. It's a nice card. The second card is the same, Ivan De Jesus, Bowman Chrome X Fractor, BGS 9.5. I actually bought this card at the card show for like 15 bucks, and I thought it looked great. And yeah, I was right. It's definitely a gem mint card. And the last, and you guessed it, Ivan De Jesus, Gold Refractor Auto. It's my second BGS 9.5 of De Jesus Gold Refractor, so I'm very happy about that. So great, very happy overall with the grades. My first, non 9.5 grade, but oh well, everybody has their one of those days. So let's take a look at the cards. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, and until next time.